Yes, as I said you here, peacocks were praising the cuckoos, okay, melodious songs. And here the elephants are praising the fish here, and the pythons they praise rabbits, ants they praise the buffaloes, they tickle the buffaloes and all, okay. And here every day they used to have in the evening time musical evenings. Means they usually spend some leisure time in the evening. They have like party and all. Okay, and in that party, who is the guest of honor here? Stars, moon, and friends were the guest of honor. And what are the things they have done? The songs, dances, and all. Okay, so elephant and the deer here, the dance, and miners and the parrots they sing songs, and tiger and bear they do gymnastics. So all these were daily evening schedule it was. So in this way, all these animals lived very happily among themselves in the jungle. Okay, but unfortunately, there was an entry of a jackal. Okay, jackal, which was really very crooked, very cunning, very dangerous. Okay, it is not at all good. So it is very jealous of these all animals' friendship and all, and it want to disturb them, and it want to poison their minds and want to separate all the animals. So that is the thing the jackal kept in its mind, and it entered into the jackal, into the forest. Okay. So what happened? Slowly it went to one animal to another animal. Okay. First it went to the elephant. Okay, which is very big elephant. Then it said to the elephant, "You are so big, and why you are playing with small squirrels, rabbits, small animals?" So slowly it started to poison their minds. Then later on, again it went to the deer, okay. Then it said, okay, the tiger is thinking to kill you, okay, so be careful, it said. So in this way, one after the another, okay, they started to suspect each other, okay, the animals started to suspect each other. So after later on, actually all they used to sleep together, play together, everything together they used to do previously. But now because of this jackal, they are getting separated from each other, and they started to build boundaries among that, like this is my place and this is my place. They started to keep fences, okay, among themselves there itself. Okay, this is my place, you should not enter into my boundary. So in that way they made all the their own place and all. So here what happened? The forest slept here. One by one the little ones disappeared. So in this way, as they got separated, for the jackal it will be so easy to kill and eat them, right? If they are together, it come and kill them and eat. So that's why it thought first to separate all the animals. Then slowly it separated. Then first it started to kill all the small animals. So one after the another, all the animals were disappearing. So what? Then later on what happened? When the forest slept, as the last animals were afraid, there was no more musical evenings. The moon was sad and he cried. So because of this happening, the moon was really feeling very sad about what is happening in the jungle because of this jackal. So there was no musical evenings nowadays because so many animals were being killed by the jackal and eaten away. The moon thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and the birds as a sadhu. So here now moon thought about these animals. If I don't go and save them, okay, the situation will be more worse than this. So moon thought I have to go to them. So the moon came in the form of like sadhu, okay. He took a shape like he came like a sadhu and lived among them, okay. And as soon as Sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and the birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. So as Sadhu came, all the animals they came near to the Sadhu and started to tell them what is happening in the jungle. They cried, sobbed, and blamed each other for disturbing the peace in the forest. And the sadhu listened to them. So while they were describing about what had happened, what is happening in the forest, then sadhu was just listening to them what they were telling. The sadhu brought together the lions and the rabbits for a common meal, and he visited the python and the viper and had a long chat with them. So all the animals gathered and sadhu started to discuss with them. He advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks and had lost their mother. So he advised for the eagle, okay, not to attack the little chicks and all because their mother is not there. Because the mother was being attacked by the jackal and the babies were left over, the small chicks. So don't eat all these, don't attack them, was suggested by the sadhu to all those animals. He advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks that had lost their mother. The sadhu accompanied the tiger and wild bear to the nearest market. He played with the bulbul, the owl and the monkeys. So, but the jackal was very angry. So slowly again they were started to stay happily together and all. And this was seen by the jackal. And jackal doesn't like being happy. Yes, yes. So what did the jackal have done? But the jackal was very angry with what the sadhu was doing. He was really angry. The jackal was angry towards the sadhu. He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. So jackal was waiting for an opportunity to attack this sadhu. Okay, that was its target. Then one day what happened? The animals, the insects and the birds held an emergency meeting and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. The sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal but help you in a different way. So here one day what happened? All these animals, insects, birds, they held one emergency meeting in the jungle. And they decided to approach to sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. So all this they went to the sadhu and they told them, Sadhu, you kill that jackal. Okay. Then what happened? I will not kill the jackal but help you in a different way. So the sadhu told that I will not kill directly to the jackal but I will help you, okay, to come out of from that problem. Right? So when the sun went to sleep, the jackal came to the house of the hens to take a few of them for his supper. So slowly, when the evening, it was night time, okay, the chicks were there and all, and this jackal tried to kill them. Then what happened? The sadhu who had been lodging nearby came out to the house and spoke to the jackal, take me today for your meal. So the sadhu came out of the house and he told that instead of eating the chicks, you eat away. You can take me as your meal. Okay? Said to jackal. That sadhu told to the jackal. Then what happened? The jackal who had been waiting for this opportunity dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. He took the sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces and ate him up. So jackal who was eagerly waiting for the opportunity to kill this sadhu, okay, he got the chance to kill. He caught this sadhu and the jackal dragged into the jungle, okay, to a corner place and all to kill that sadhu, okay. Then the animals were very sad, angry and disappeared with what had happened to the sadhu. Okay, but finally they were really very sad because the sadhu was killed by this jackal. Then what happened? Would appear. So they were afraid that the hungry jackal would appear again the next day. So all the animals were really disappointed, okay, because the sadhu was being killed by this jackal. Now who will advise us? Who will be there with us? So all the animals were very scared that again the jackal may come and kill them, okay, eat them. So they were really very much scared, afraid. Then they heard a strange